Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a ball like this out of a 12-piece fidget toy. So I want to do it like that. If you want these to be white pieces, then you're going to start like this. It's always going to be on the opposite. If you want this on the outside, you start like this. Okay, so I want that like that. So you want to fold this in like half. So you want to do it like, look here, and then you do it towards yourself. Okay, now you go 1, 2, and this third red piece, you want to do it on the outside like that. No, I mean on the, yeah, like that. Like this. And then you want to do that on the other side. Okay, now you should have this shape. Now you're going to take this piece, this whole long stick thing, and you're going to push it in. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, now this is the outside, this is the inside. You want to take this piece on the right side, and you want to fold it in like that. Okay, now I want to fold this piece, so you're going to go 1, 2, this red piece, I'm going to fold it in like that. Then you have 1, 2, this white piece. You're going to fold it in, but it's not going to let you. And so you take this piece, this red piece, and you do it towards yourself, and you're going to have this shape. And you're just going to push this whole thing in. Okay, now you're going to twist this like this. And you're going to have like 4 pieces. Now you can choose right or left. Yeah, I'm going to go right. You're gonna go like that, same steps. This doesn't fit, so 1, 2, 3. You pull this towards yourself, and then you're gonna just click it in. You're gonna have this extra piece, which you're gonna turn around like that. Now we have this other long stick we left, and so we are gonna put 4. Then we are going to make the 3 thing shape. 1, 2, 3 here. So we're gonna 1, 2, make this over there. And then you want to turn it like that, but you can't. So you do it towards yourself and you push it in. Okay, now you want to turn this like that, and it's not gonna let you. So you're gonna make this towards yourself. It's gonna click in. Then you want to put it like that, but it's not gonna let you. And you want to just finish it. So you're going to push it like that around till it fits. Like mine doesn't, so it means it's on the other side. So let's put it backwards. That, and you are going to have the ball. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!